Now protect yourself and capture it all in full HD video with Wi-Fi Dashcam Pro, the incredible new dashcam that generates its own free Wi-Fi without using cell phone data. The Wi-Fi Dashcam Pro's unique design easily attaches to the back of your existing rearview mirror in just seconds and becomes part of your rearview mirror. It's like having a built-in dashcam with a 2-inch LCD screen. And only the Wi-Fi Dashcam Pro puts that footage on your phone live as it happens, so you've got the video right on your phone, right on the scene, right when it can do the most good. And with screen off mode, you can turn the video screen off and still continue recording. Wi-Fi Dashcam Pro's permanent mount system with built-in video screen won't obstruct your view or detach, even during an accident. And with a magnetic quick-release link, you can instantly detach it to bring it with you or move to another car. The adjustable swivel mount points in any direction, so you can turn it around to capture all those special moments inside the car. Wi-Fi Dashcam Pro comes loaded with high-end features including motion detection, one-touch picture mode to instantly take a photo with a press of a button, image stabilization, optional time and date stamp, and automatic startup upon ignition with the included car charger. The IR capture makes nighttime crystal clear, and because the video transfers right to your cell phone through its built-in Wi-Fi, you'll never miss a trick with a Wi-Fi Dashcam Pro. Wi-Fi Dashcam Pro works in any vehicle and is so discreet most people won't even know it's there. The incredible Wi-Fi Dashcam Pro with built-in rechargeable battery can be yours. Order now and you'll get 6 free bonus items included: 2 different types of quick link mounts, a permanent mount for the back of your rearview mirror, and a suction mount for your windshield. You'll also get the extra long car charger and harness clips to tuck the charging wire away. Plus, you'll get a 16GB SD card, USB card reader, and our 60-day money-back guarantee free.